Welcome back, traders. Good to see you. Today is Wednesday, the 30th of August, and we are going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. And we're going to look at the reaction of that dollar news yesterday, because the dollar come tumbling down. So lots to do, guys. Let's get started. So yesterday's trades, the first one was this, Euro Canadian dollar, and we were looking to buy this pair. So why were we looking to buy it? Well, we were in a downtrend and then price broke up and we're now in a uptrend stroke range. Yeah, it's just been ranging between these two levels. Okay, but we are in an uptrend still. Until these lows break here, yeah, we're in an uptrend. So we also had, this bullish candle here, and as you can see, this level of support here. So the idea was just, to get on the back of this bullish candle and drive price back up to here. And that's pretty much what happened, guys. If we drop down to the H1, I did get in on this pair. And as always, guys, I put all my trades when I enter them, stop loss, take profit, I put them all on my VIP Discord channel. And this was one such trade. So as you can see, guys, price came up and it kept, hitting this gray zone, which is why we had this gray zone in place. Okay. And then if we just follow H1 structure, we got this bullish candle here. Okay, so at this point we were with H4 structure and H1 structure because we never broke this low. So once we got this candle, guys, I was interested in entering this pair. If we zoom in now, I actually got a bit of a retrace, got in at a nice price. I got in at 47.10, which was around here. Yeah, put my stop loss below here. I almost got stopped out, but didn't. Yeah, my stop loss was at 89. Okay, always give your stop loss a bit of room for such candles like this. Yeah. And once we got in here, guys, this was my first target. Yeah, these last highs. So once I hit this level, I closed 80% of my trade. And I am still in this trade for 20%. So I'll let this trade run and just follow H1 trend. Okay, so as simple as that, guys. We got our bullish setup in our gray zone, took the trade. I'm going to take profit here as long as I get my risk to reward of at least 1:1. Okay, and this was a bit more than 1:1. Okay, so, I'm happy to take profit here. And look, we did get a very bearish reaction at that level. I know it broke that level, but look, we got a bearish reaction. Okay, so take some profit. And this is where we are currently. Yeah, with my remaining 20%, I will remove it from here, depending on what price action does. If it does this, I'll just move it from here up to here and just keep trailing the stop, then up to here, etc. All right, but nice trade, Euro Canadian dollar. We were happy with that. The next trade idea from yesterday was this. It was pound against the Swiss franc. Where are you? There you are. Again, let's just quickly recap why we were looking to buy this, guys. So price was in a downtrend and then it's just been in a range. Okay, stroke uptrend, because once it breaks this high, we're getting higher highs, and these lows hold. Yeah, this gray zone down here is holding. It is good support for this level, for this pair. All right, so structure was with us, and if I zoom in, you can see we had a bullish reaction at this level. Yeah, and the idea was to come up to this blue zone here, or if not, back up to here. And it did, almost make it up here. But then we got a very bearish candle. So if we look at the H4, let's start with the H1, because I want to just show you this. So, you could have got in this trade early. Yeah. If you look at H1 structure, we got a break of this level here. Yeah, this H1 level here broke these highs. You could have potentially started entering here with a view to taking it back up to here, but it didn't quite reach that level, okay? And I didn't enter here. What I was waiting for, guys, was this retrace, a retrace into this grey zone, and then we get a bullish reaction, all right? And as you can see, that bullish reaction just never happened. Yeah, it was just seller, 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 seller. We're starting to see buyers down here, but we just didn't see a buyer in here. So no trade, guys. Yeah, we need, if we're going to buy the market, we need a buyer. That may seem obvious, but lots of people do not wait for that bullish candle as the catalyst. So yeah, we didn't have a trade on pound Swiss franc, and that was it from yesterday, guys. So let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, then come join us. If I could ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel right now, thank you very much. If also you could smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button right now, guys, it would be much appreciated. Right, trades for Wednesday, the 30th of August. Then, before I get started, guys, let me just mention a few things the channel does. Yeah, exciting things the channel does. So, first of all, if you haven't joined it already yet, we've got the free Discord channel. It's free. Yeah, we've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas. We've got indicators. We've got psychology. We've got money management. We've got loads of cool things in there, guys. So, come join the free Discord. The link is in the video description. Secondly, guys, we've also got the VIP Discord channel. Okay, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions if you're not sure about anything. I'll give you my trade ideas as and when they happen, like the Euro Canadian dollar yesterday. We also have two other expert traders giving you their trade ideas as and when they happen. I give you exclusive content every week, and you get access to a performance coach, fully qualified performance coach, should you need help with performance, guys. All right. So, you know, lots of cool things, lots of value in the VIP Discord. Check it out. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. And also, guys, if you enjoy the live stream, you enjoy my analysis every day, then you can show your support by becoming a Simply Forex YouTube member. All right, you get some really cool perks for doing so, exclusive content, and it starts from as little as under $2 a month. Yeah, so come show your support. And finally, guys, don't forget, live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions ready for me and we will give it a whirl. Right, trades then for today. Before we start, let's look at the dollar reaction. Yeah, because, you know, that's what everyone is talking about. So yesterday we had far worse than expected, far worse, get my teeth in, far worse than expected data coming out of the US. We had consumer confidence and we had job openings. All right, and they were far worse than expected. So this is the dollar index. And as you can see, no surprise, we're seeing a real bearish reaction. All right. So, you know, when we're at an area of resistance like this and there's bad news, the market really moves from this level. Yeah, it really wants to power down. Okay. But also remember, guys, there is GDP coming out today. So we've got a lot of, you know, important US data this week. It's going to be a real important, you know, week for the dollar. But, you know, the initial reaction is bearish. And we're just looking for trades for today. But the problem with this is, guys, you know, if you look at any US dollar pair, let's start with Euro US dollar, you know, you are going to be against trend. Yeah, we've had this, you know, bullish reaction, as in a weak dollar. Yeah, but we're still in a downtrend. Yeah, we don't want to buy downtrends. You know, you look at any of the US dollar majors. Yeah, pound US dollar. Yeah, you know, okay, we saw this dollar weakness come into the market, but we're clearly in a downtrend. Yeah, tricky to buy. The only one I would be interested in, which is quite controversial, is US dollar Japanese yen. The only one I'd be interested in shorting is this because, yeah, we discussed this on the live stream briefly, but if you look at this, guys, this has had a breakdown already. We were getting lower lows and we wasn't getting higher highs. And we are still not getting higher highs because we had this very bearish candle close back below these highs. So this downtrend for me is still intact. So if I'm going to trade any dollar pair today, which I'm not really, because there's so much dollar news, you've got GDP today, you know, it could really shoot off in any direction. But today, if we had to trade US dollar yen, I would short this pair back down to these lows, you know, if not further, because this is the only US dollar pair that is in a downtrend. All right. So, yeah, there you go, guys. And it also makes me reluctant to buy yen pairs. Yeah, any yen pairs, you know, New Zealand yen, pound yen, euro yen, you know, I'm reluctant to buy yen pairs at the moment. So, you know, that's had a knock-on effect to other pairs. But yeah, having said all that, guys, I do have a couple of trades for you. The first one is this. It's euro pound. I'm seeing a bit of pound weakness, actually. So, yeah, I'll show you. There's a couple of pound trades, basically, guys. So this one is euro pound. Why do I like this? Well, let's look at the weekly chart, first of all. So you can see we are ranging. Yeah, prices come down, up, come down, come back up, come down, potentially going to come back up to the top of this range. All right. So we've got a ranging market. And also, I like the fact that we have a very bullish weekly candle. Okay, so this gives us the impetus to come back up as well. If we now look at the day chart, it's broken an important level for me. Yeah. So at this point, yeah, we were in an uptrend. As soon as this level broke here, we were in a downtrend. And then, you know, arguably in an uptrend, okay? But for me, guys, there's enough bullish momentum, yeah? And we've broken this level through here, because it was reacting the day before. But yesterday, you know, with this candle here, it's just blown through that area of resistance. And now it's above the moving average 20. It's broken through this area of resistance. We've got very bullish momentum and a bullish candle. So like I say, guys, the idea is to potentially take price back up to this resistance level. And guys, my target's always a bit conservative. I want to do the first psychological level before resistance. So I'm aiming at this 86.50 level. All right. So yeah, we're looking to buy euro pound. If we drop down to the H4, okay. Yeah, let's drop down to the H1. So, because we've got a couple of areas and we've already had quite a bullish reaction. So, yeah, if we look at the H1, we've got a couple of levels. So we've got this larger grey zone, yeah, which is that daily level that was running through our as support and resistance. So price could react anywhere in this grey zone, and we get a bullish reaction, yeah, and then I'm looking to buy euro pound. Okay, simple as that. But there is a level within the level, yeah, and you've got this level here on the H1. Okay, so if we just follow H1 structure, again, you know, this is the last swing low. So this is also an important level, and we've had a very bullish push off this level. Yeah, I tend to wait for the UK to open and then I'll start trading. But this is technically, you know, an entry right now. Enter here, put your stop below here, take price higher. But we will see. Yeah. Yeah, like I say, guys, waiting for a retracement into here or the bigger grey zone, and we're looking to buy this pair. So euro pound, we're looking to buy. And as I said, this pound weakness is within another pair as well. And this other pair is pound New Zealand dollar. And guys, before I give you my analysis on pound New Zealand dollar, yeah, please, everyone, if you could subscribe to the channel right now, merci beaucoup. And if you could also smash the like button right now as well, guys. It really helps support the vid and the channel. And don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord, we've got the VIP Discord, we've got the mentorship program, and we've got YouTube Simply Forex membership. All of these things are in the video description. Itchy chin. Pound New Zealand dollar is another one that I'm seeing. So, you know, we potentially got a lot of room to move into as well, but I've done a more conservative target, this 21100. All right, but what are we seeing? So we were seeing this, guys. Yeah, we were seeing potentially price wanted to push back up, but instead it's broken down. So we're starting to see lower highs, lower lows. Okay, and yeah, we've just dropped below the moving average 20 as well. And we have a very bearish candle. Yeah, it doesn't get much more bearish than that. So the idea is just to take price, like I say, down to this psychological level. If we drop down to the H4 now, you can see that we've got these two nice levels. All right. So price was in this level. This is like a box of indecision, guys. And then bang, when it breaks this box, we like these setups. Break, retrace, enter. All right. So we've got these two areas. If price, you know, breaks this area, by the way, guys, not interested. Because that would also mean a change back to an uptrend on the day chart. But if price reacts in here, yeah, and we get a bearish reaction. And when I say bearish reaction, guys, that can be a H4 and or a H1 bearish candle. Yeah, something that tells me sellers are in control. And then we can start shorting this pair. I'll probably come back down to these lows first, take some profit, leave some profit to run. Okay. Because of the bearishness of the daily candle, it's unlikely that it's going to retrace to here. But it could. And again, guys, if we get a bearish reaction, we can start entering this pair as well. All right. But yeah, for this one, I like this level through here. So let's see how it reacts and if we get a setup. And those are my only trade ideas for today, guys. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed my trade ideas. If you have, subscribe and like and things like that. Right, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Wednesday, the 30th of August, guys. So at 1 o'clock, London GMT, coming out of the Euro, coming out of Germany, to be precise, we've got CPI figures, guys. So, you know, we all know by now how important CPI figures are, yeah, because of inflation. So this could really move the Euro. I am going to look at this as well. So this COF leading indicators. Yeah, I think this could also move any Swiss franc pair. I know it's only 2-star, but this is quite important for the Swiss franc. So also be aware of that at 8 o'clock. And then, guys, more big news for the US dollar. Yeah, so, you know, we saw that reaction yesterday, very bearish, but you know, will this bearishness continue? And it depends greatly on all the data that we've got coming out this week. So, yeah, really important again. At 1:15, we've got non-farm employment. And at 1:30, we've got the GDP. So, you know, these, yeah, are very important figures. Okay, so, yeah, you know, it's going to make the US dollar very volatile this week. And if that wasn't enough, we've also got at 3 o'clock, London GMT, we've got pending home sales. So another 3-star rating for the US dollar. and we got crude oil inventories at 4 o'clock. So lots of news today, guys, coming out of the US. So yeah, let's see how that dollar reacts. And that's it, guys. So yeah, quite a busy news day, so must be aware of all of that. And guys, don't forget to like, share my video, and also guys, don't forget the live stream, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Yeah, come join me, and I'll see you then, guys. Have a wonderful day.